So from alkanes, for the preparation method of alkyl halides, first we have seen halogenation. The mechanism involves anti-addition. First there is formation of cyclic halonium ion. After the formation of cyclic halonium ion, there will be addition of X minus from the opposite direction. Hence the overall addition is anti-addition. If you are having ये तो आप लोग को समझ में आया करके मैं मान रहा हूँ. If you are having a cis alkene, if you are having anti-addition, you will get two types of products, and both of them are mirror images of each other, and the probability for the formation of both the products is 50-50%. Hence you will be getting a racemic mixture. If you are having a trans alkene, आप लोग को लगा होगा दो different products बना है, but because of plane of symmetry, both of them represent the same compound, or it is a meso compound, which is optically inactive. Okay. If you analyze the reactivity of X2, order of reactivity of X2, क्या लग रहा है आप लोग को? What is the order of reactivity of X2? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Increasing order or decreasing order? It is fluorine greater than, chlorine greater than, bromine greater than iodine, and the reason is based on the strength of CX. As C bond F is the strongest because of its smaller size. F2 जो है, it is highly reactive. This is based on strength of CX bond formed. Okay. Reactivity of alkenes. Reactivity of alkenes. What is the intermediate formed in this reaction? What is the name of it?
Halonium ion.
Halonium ion. Is it positively charged or negatively charged?
Positive.
Positively charged.
Positively charged. So can I say, if you are having more and more alkyl substituents, those alkyl substituents will be releasing energies according to plus effect. As a result, the cyclic halonium ion will be stabilized. Right? So what will be the order of reactivity of alkenes? जो most substituted alkene रहेगा, उससे cyclic halonium ion जल्दी बन पाएगा. Okay? So highly substituted alkene R2C double bond CR2 is greater than, एक substitution कम करो, R2C double bond CHR greater than RCH double bond CHR greater than RCH double bond CH2 greater than CH2 double bond CH2 unsubstituted वाला. Okay. More the substituted alkene, more will be the plus A effect, and more will be the stabilization of cyclic halonium ion. Okay, I will give you some questions. Please solve those questions. आप लोग को एक पॉइंट ये इंपॉर्टेंट है याद रखना. दिस पर्टिकुलर रिएक्शन इज यूज्ड एज अ डिस्टिंग्विशिंग टेस्ट फॉर अनसैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड्स लाइक alkenes and alkynes. Mark the products. solve these questions. Directly write the products. No need to show the mechanism. Write the products. Is it done? पहला क्वेश्चन देखो, और जो पर्टिकुलर अल्कीन दिया है, इज इट अ सिस अल्कीन और अ ट्रांस अल्कीन? फर्स्ट रियलाइज दैट दिस इज अ सिस अल्कीन. ओके, cis plus ये जो एडिशन है Br2CCl4, what is the type of addition? It is anti addition.
Anti.
So you will get racemic mixture. So आप लोग को शो कैसे करना है, एक बार बियर यहाँ पे ऊपर, यहाँ पे बियर नीचे, प्लस हम बियर नीचे, यहाँ पे बियर ऊपर. Are these two mirrors of each other? They are
Yes.
mirrors of each other and they are non superimposable. Superimpose करने के लिए कोशिश करो, कभी होगा नहीं. Okay, so the product formed is racemic mixture. Okay, second case में बताओ, second case में क्या होगा. अभी यहाँ पे cyclic haloनियम आयन बनेगा ना, यहाँ पे cyclic haloनियम आयन बनेगा. Okay, this particular carbon is not a chiral carbon because it is attached to hydrogens, but this carbon is chiral carbon. So यहाँ पे जो Br लगेगा, it can be from the top or from the bottom. Both the cases are possible, right? Okay, so ये carbon chiral होने के वजह से the overall product will be, यहाँ पे CH2, this will be Br, यहाँ पे this is CH, Br and ये chiral carbon है CH2, CH3. So even in this case you will get racemic mixture because the carbon is chiral. वो ऊपर भी लग सकता है, नीचे भी लग सकता है. समझ में आया आप लोग को? ये जो alkene है, इसका pi bond है, either it can be coming out of the plane or it is going below the plane ना. So जो X जो है, it can come and attack from the top or from the bottom. So depending upon that, you will get two different products. This is not a chiral carbon, no need to worry about this. ये वाला एक chiral carbon है ना. If you are having only one chiral carbon, it will definitely be optically active. Okay, clear?
Yes,
Next,
sir.
again this is cis. आप लोग को प्रोडक्ट्स ड्रॉ करते समय यू नीड टू शो द फिशर प्रोजेक्शन. हमको ऑलरेडी पता है दिस इज रेसिमिक मिक्सचर. सो एक Br इस साइड, एक Br इस साइड लगा लो. हाइड्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन, CH3, CH3 प्लस उसका मिरर इमेज. एक Br इस साइड, Br, हाइड्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन, CH3, CH3. Okay, so I got again racemic mixture. In this case ये ट्रांस हो गया. सो हमको पता है मीसो जैसा कुछ बनेगा. सो यहाँ पे Br, यहाँ पे Br, हाइड्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन, CH3, CH3. There is plane of symmetry na. So this compound is meso compound. Clear? Okay, इस particular case we have cis, but ये cis और ये cis में फर्क क्या है starting और इसमें? Is there any difference in the type of cis? पहला जो दिया है it is symmetrical cis. Now it is R1 and R2 ना, it is not symmetrical. बस उतना ही difference है.
हाँ.
It is not a symmetrical compound. So R1, R2 हमको करना क्या है, एक Br इस साइड है तो एक Br इस साइड, हाइड्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन प्लस Br अभी इस साइड, Br, हाइड्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन, R1 and R2. Okay, so again you got racemic mixture. Can anyone tell me the answer for the last question? Answer Is it a cis compound or a trans compound, first of all?
Trans.
Trans. Is it symmetrical or unsymmetrical?
Unsymmetrical.
Unsymmetrical. So हमको स्टार्टिंग में हमने बनाया कैसे है? एक x ये x2 है ना? This is halogen, 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 halogen. So put the both halogens on the same side, hydrogen, hydrogen, ये R1 और R2. But इस केस में you can get one more product because ये x इधर हो गया, x हो गया, ये R1 या R2 है ना, दोनों अलग अलग है. These are non-superimposable mirror images. Please observe. If I am taking this, if I am rotating, okay, हाइड्रोजन हाइड्रोजन एक्स एक्स के साथ हो जाएगा, ओके, सुपर इम्पोज. बट ऊपर क्या है, देयर इज R1, बट उल्टा करने से क्या हो गया, उधर R2 आया. नीचे क्या है, देयर इज R2, उल्टा करने से नीचे R1 आया. ये दोनों पार्ट सुपर इम्पोज नहीं होंगे, ओके. और यू कैन सी देयर इज नो प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री. इज देयर एनी प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री हियर? बीच में लाइन कट करने से ऊपर R1 नीचे R2 है ना. सो इफ यू आर हैविंग a unsymmetrical trans, then also the product will be racemic mixture. If it is symmetrical, then only you can have a plane of symmetry and you can get a meso. Very important. So blindly ये मत बोल देना tam, okay? वो symmetrical है तो तब tam होगा. ये common sense है. Clear है?
हाँ सर.
Okay. General statement हम car और tam बोलेंगे. If it is symmetrical, if it is not symmetrical, then you should not say it will be a meso compound. It will be again a racemic mixture. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Second reaction for the formation of alkyl halides from alkenes, hydrohalogenation. Hydrohalogenation मतलब addition of HX. You are adding a hydrogen along with halogen. Addition of HX. If you are having R, CH, double bond, CH2, it is an alkene. What are the characteristic reactions of alkenes? Electrophilic addition reactions. Okay, and it will follow Markovnikov's rule. What is Markovnikov's rule? The electrophilic part will be added to carbon bearing higher number of hydrogens. The nucleophilic part will be added to carbon bearing lesser number of hydrogens. So इसमें electrophile कौन है? H positive. Nucleophile कौन है? X minus. So according to Markovnikov's rule, if you are adding this, हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पे लगाओ और हैलोजन यहाँ पे, यही है ना? Which we have already seen this in case of addition of alkenes, addition reactions of alkenes. If I'm taking a general example, I will show the mechanism. HBr, CS3, CH, Br, CH2H. This will be the major product. CH, hydrogen, CH2, Br. This will be the minor product. Okay. Let us understand the mechanism. Already हमको पता है mechanism. The mechanism involves electrophilic addition. R CH double bond CH2. First, the electrophile will be approaching the alkene because you are having an electron density inside an alkene. Whenever this is approaching, ये जो particular pi bond है, it will be polarized onto either of the carbon atoms. And किसके ऊपर polarize होगा? It depends upon the stability of carbocation. मैं इधर right hand side carbon के ऊपर polarize करवा रहा हूँ because it will be forming 2 degree carbocation, which is more stable than 1 degree carbocation. Okay, so ये उधर polarize होते ही the negative charge present on the carbon will be attacked. The negative charge present on the carbon will be attacking on this particular H positive, resulting in the formation of a carbocation R CH. यहाँ पे positive आ जाएगा. This will become CH3. इसके ऊपर there will be attack of X minus, resulting in the formation of alkyl halide. Okay, this is the mechanism. What is the intermediate?
Carbanium.
कार्बनियन नहीं, कार्बोकैटायन है ना.
कार्बोकैटायन.
कार्बोकैटायन ये जो रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन है, rate depends on stability of carbocation formed. Okay, whenever there is carbocations, always you need to see for rearrangements. So I can say rearrangements are possible. Rearrangements and this is according to a rule called which rule? Markovnikov. Okay, I'm again writing the rule. ये आप लोग के boards के exams के लिए भी important है. They will ask what is Markovnikov's rule. Okay. In the addition of a unsymmetrical reagent, HX जो है unsymmetrical है. We have not studied about Markovnikov's rule in the addition of X2 क्योंकि जरूरत नहीं है, दोनों X ही ऐड कर रहा हूँ ना. कौन सा X जाके कहाँ पे लगा, how does it matter? But in case of HX, it is unsymmetrical reagent, so hydrogen कहाँ जाके लग रहा है, halogen कहाँ जाके लग रहा है, that is important. Okay, so in the addition of a unsymmetrical reagent, on an unsymmetrical alkene, the negative part of reagent goes to that carbon which has lesser number of hydrogens. And this particular rule is based on carbocation stability, the intermediate stability. Clear? ये जो नेगेटिव पार्ट है इसमें Br minus or X minus, it has gone to carbon bearing lesser number of hydrogens. The positive part will go to carbon bearing higher number of hydrogens.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give you questions. Please solve them. Okay, solve these questions.
हो गया सर।
हो गया?
हाँ सर।
ओके, पहले केस में H प्लस जाके कहाँ पे अटैक करेगा? इस वाले कार्बन पे, ये वाले कार्बन पे हाइड्रोजन जाके लगेगा, Cl जाके यहाँ पे लगेगा ना, डायरेक्टली प्रोडक्ट लिख रहा हूँ मैं. एंड the carbon where the Cl is getting attached, is it a chiral carbon?
नहीं.
No, right? So you will be having only one product. Okay. Similarly, HI
हाँ.
इस particular case में
हाँ.
यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन जाके लगेगा, so it will become CH3, and यहाँ पे iodine. Again, it is not a chiral carbon, so no need to worry about its enantiomer. In this case, first there will be formation of a carbocation, which looks like there will be 1,2 hydride ship. Okay. सुशांत सिंह के यादों में गाना गा रहा है क्या? एंड यहाँ पे जाके ये लगेगा ना, निरंजन, who is this निरंजन?
हाँ सर, मैं आदित्य बोल रहा हूँ।
कौन सा आदित्य?
हाँ सर।
ओके
हेलो।
ओके, नया
हाँ सर, हाँ नया सर।
ओके ओके, प्लीज put your audio on mute. Disturbance आ रहे. So this will be the final product, right? Okay. Even in this case, the carbon is not chiral, but अभी देखो next two questions में the carbon is chiral. So as it is symmetrical alkene, no need to worry about हाइड्रोजन कहाँ जाएगा, ब्रोमीन कहाँ जाएगा, कहीं पे भी गया सेम प्रोडक्ट ही बनेगा ना. But what you need to worry is the product is, ये जो Br जाके लगा ये कार्बन कायरल है, so you will get racemic mixture. Racemic mixture क्यों बन रहा है? Because the intermediate is carbocation. Carbocation is trigonal planar molecule. Trigonal planar है तो उसके ऊपर जो अटैक हो सकता है, it can be either from the top or from the bottom. So equal probability रहने की वजह से you will get racemic mixture. Similarly, even in this case, Br यहाँ पे जाके लगेगा, the carbon is again chiral, so you will again get racemic mixture. लास्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर racemic mixture किसने लिखा क्या? Anyone? Okay, please make sure of that. The product formed is racemic mixture. ठीक है. Tell me the order of reactivity of HX. Reactivity order of HX.
सर.
Yeah.
हाँ सर, मैकेनिज्म वाला पेज दिखाएंगे.
HF. एक मिनट. पहले ये बताओ, what is the order of reactivity of HX? If you see the mechanism, what is the first? The first step is addition of H positive. The second step is addition of X minus. H positive add करने के लिए, if you are having more and more H positive inside the system, ये वाला reaction जल्दी होगा ना? So it depends upon the order of reactivity of HX depends upon acidic strength of HX. Which is the strongest acid among HF, HCl, HBr, HI?
HI.
HI.
HI is the strongest
HI.
acid. So what will be the order of reactivity? It will be HF less than HCl less than
Less than.
HI. Okay? Stronger the acid, more the H positive. Okay? ठीक है. So this is about Markovnikov's addition. For the addition of HBr, already हमने alkenes के chapter में पढ़ा है. If you are adding HBr in the presence of peroxide, you will get anti-Markovnikov's product, which is also called as Karash effect. याद है आप लोग को?
हाँ सर.
उसके बारे में पढ़ते हैं. Anti-Markovnikov's rule. Anti-Markovnikov's addition, or which is also called as peroxide effect. Which is also called as Karash effect. Okay. इसमें क्या होगा? According to this rule, anti-Markovnikov's wala. According to this rule, in the addition of HBr on an unsymmetrical alkene, bromine goes to that carbon which has more number of hydrogens. Okay, so this is opposite to that of Markovnikov's product. And ये इसलिए होता है because of addition of peroxide and it follows free radical mechanism. So let us see the mechanism. And in the free radical mechanism, there are usually 3 steps: chain initiation, propagation, and termination. We are only interested in initiation and propagation steps in this case. वही देखेंगे. Let us take a general example. CH3, CH, double bond, CH2. You are adding HBr in the presence of peroxide. So the product will be according to anti-Markovnikov's rule. Hydrogen will be added to carbon bearing lesser number of hydrogens. Bromine is added to carbon bearing higher number of hydrogens. This is the product. Okay. Let us see the mechanism. Peroxide matlab where you are having peroxy linkage. The common peroxide reagent which we usually use is R2O2. So जो R2O2 है, it is an ideal substrate for homolytic fission. क्योंकि oxygen के बीच में there is no electronegativity difference. So whenever this bond breaks, it will lead to the formation of alkoxy free radical. This is called as alkoxy free radical. Okay. अभी ये जो alkoxy free radical है, this will react with HBr and it can have 2 different paths. Either it can form ROBr plus H free radical, or it can form ROH plus Br free radical. यही होगा ना, वो जो HBr है, it is breaking as H free radical plus Br free radical. If RO free radical goes to hydrogen free radical, it will form ROH and Br free radical. If RO free radical reacts with Br free radical, it will form ROBr and H free radical. Out of these 2 reactions, which reaction will happen?
Second one.
पहला वाला नहीं होगा because H free radical is highly unstable. वो कभी नहीं बनेगा. Okay. So chain propagation में क्या होगा? In fact, ये जो particular step है, that is also chain propagation step. मैं chain initiation में लिख लिया. Initiation में you will form free radicals from a neutral molecule, right? So that is a chain initiation step. Chain propagation step में that RO free radical is reacting with HBr to form ROH plus Br free radical. Okay. Now the formed Br free radical, CH3, CH, double bond, CH2. This will be attacked by Br free radical. Whenever you have a free radical, the reaction will again happen in terms of free radical. So यहाँ पे free radical जैसा break होगा pi bond. Again, you can have 2 different choices. Br free radical attacking first carbon or the second carbon. So उसके हिसाब से आपको CH3, CH अगर Br यहाँ पे अटैक हुआ तो फ्री रेडिकल ये बनेगा, और CH3, CH यहाँ पे फ्री रेडिकल होके CH2Br. This is 1 degree free radical. This is 2 degree free radical. Which is more stable?
2 degree.
2 degree. So this will become major and this will become minor. Okay. So एक बार आप लोग को वो free radical मिला, उसके ऊपर then now that will be addition of hydrogen. CH2Br. This will again react with another HBr in the propagation step. it will form CH3 CH, यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन CH2Br प्लस Br फ्री रेडिकल. ओके, और जब Br फ्री रेडिकल जनरेट हुआ फिर से it will be attacking on this, so on so forth. So in this case first there is addition of Br free radical and you are forming more stable carbon free radical. According to that you are seeing the product as anti-Markovnikov's product. पहले केस में क्या हुआ, इन केस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन फर्स्ट देयर इज एडिशन ऑफ H पॉजिटिव, तभी भी हम कार्बोकैटायन स्टेबिलिटी के ऊपर ही ध्यान दे रहे हैं. सो बेसिकली वी आर इंटरेस्टेड इन द स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ द इंटरमीडिएट based on which you are seeing the final product as Markovnikov's or anti-Markovnikov's product. Okay, इसमें पहले Br free radical अटैक हुआ, उसके वजह से you are forming the 2 degree free radical which is later adding on hydrogen. समझ में आया?
हाँ.
Okay, and this particular reaction happens only with HBr. With HI or HCl, one of the steps becomes highly endothermic. One of the free radical steps becomes highly endothermic, hence the reaction is not favored. Okay, in that case again there will be, according to addition of Markovnikov's rule, or it is electrophilic addition. Remember, this is valid only for HBr. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, solve these questions. Mark the products.
हो गया सर.
हो गया?
हाँ.
पहले केस में आंसर C in the presence of R2O2 ना, सो यहाँ पे आके Br लगेगा, यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन. सही है? Only in case of HBr according to Markovnikov's product, यहाँ पे Br, यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन, राइट? ओके, ये वाले केस में क्या बनाया आप लोग प्रोडक्ट? You can form 2 different types of products. One is vicinal, एक Br यहाँ पे एक Br यहाँ पे plus the other is geminal. Out of these two, which product have you formed?
विसिनल।
First
ये
one.
वाला बना, फर्स्ट वाला बनाया क्या आप लोग?
हाँ
फर्स्ट वन नहीं है. The answer is, this is the right answer. The geminal product is the major product. रीजन क्या है देखते हैं.
सर,
What
याद
is,
आएगा, आपने
what is
बताया
the,
था ना वो।
बताया था मैंने, अभी याद नहीं आना है, पहले ही होना चाहिए. After the addition of H positive, क्या होगा? There will be formation of carbocation ना. You can either form a carbocation on this carbon or you can form a carbocation on this carbon. Out of these two carbocations, ठीक है, मान लेता हूँ ये 3 डिग्री है. This is only 1 degree. But ब्रोमीन के ऊपर जो लोन पेयर है, it can go in resonance and it can form octet completed structure. रेजोनेंस की वजह से स्टेबिलिटी तो मिलेगा, बट वो रेजोनेंस के साथ साथ इट इज फॉर्मिंग ऑक्टेट कंप्लीटेड स्ट्रक्चर. सो दिस कार्बोकैटायन इज हाईली स्टेबल. सो वही बनेगा. अगर वो कार्बोकैटायन बना तो उसके ऊपर Br जाके लगेगा, हेंस यू विल गेट जेमिनल प्रोडक्ट. दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, समझ में आया? So the major product is geminal but not vicinal. Is this clear?
हाँ सर.
हाँ
Okay. So ये बनेगा, इसके ऊपर Br माइनस लग के you will get that product. Clear?
हाँ
Okay. Next reaction. अभी हमने addition of X2 देखा, addition of HX देखा. Now we will see addition of HOX. HOX or H2O plus X2. H2O plus X2 react होके वो HOX ही बनेगा. That will be adding onto the alkene. अब ये जो HOX है, addition of HOX leads to the formation of a compound called halohydrin. Formation of halohydrin. Hydrin मतलब OH है, halo मतलब X है. Addition of H as well as addition of X as well as OH is called as halohydrin. Okay. In place of X, you need to have either X2, Br2 और I2. HOF जो है usually वो नहीं बनता है, which we will see in P block, but P block हटाया गया, so no need to worry about it. The X2 is either Cl2, Br2 or I2. So ये जो HOX है, we need to understand how does this break. Out of halogen and oxygen, if I'm not considering fluorine, which is more electronegative?
ऑक्सीजन.
ऑक्सीजन।
Oxygen. So इसके ऊपर partial negative, इसके ऊपर partial positive. So this will break into HO minus and X positive. अगर X positive जैसा आ गया तो it will form cyclic halonium ion. Okay. So this also involves intermediate as, this reaction also involves intermediate cyclic halonium ion. But second step में क्या हो रहा है? Rather than adding X minus, you are adding HO minus. फर्स्ट स्टेप वैसा ही है जैसे X2 ऐड करते हैं ना हम. X2 में पहले X positive add हुआ, which is forming cyclic halonium ion. In the next step, there is addition of X minus. Even in this case, first there will be addition of X positive. In the next step, there is addition of HO minus. So overall, what is the nature of addition? Is it anti-addition, syn addition? It will be anti-addition, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anti-addition, okay. If you are having plus HOX, the final product I'm showing, I'm not representing the stereochemistry. So anti-addition आप लोग इतना इसमें direct H और OH sorry X और OH ऐड किया मैंने. I'm not showing that anti-addition part. I'm not showing the Fisher projection. Fisher projection में आप लोग को ऐसे show करना पड़ेगा. This particular product formed is called as halohydrin. Okay, you are having halogen as well as OH. A question देता हूँ. Question we will understand the product using a question. Okay, this with Cl2 in the presence of H2O. They are not asking Cl2 in the presence of CCl4. Cl2H2O. What is the addition? It is anti-addition. What is the type of alkene here? This is a cis alkene. So एक बार Cl ऊपर OH नीचे plus Cl नीचे OH ऊपर. Are these two mirror images of each other?
हाँ.
They are mirror images. आप लोग को mirror यहाँ पे रखना पड़ेगा, नीचे रखना पड़ेगा. ऐसे नीचे रखा तो ऐसा ही रहे दिखेगा ना?
हाँ.
Okay, so these two are mirror images of each other. So you will get again racemic mixture. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अब ये बताओ. I will give you a question. Interesting है. कितना बॉन्ड्स है? 4 बॉन्ड्स ही हुआ ना?
हाँ.
Yeah. This upon addition of Cl2H2O. Tell me the major product. What is the first step? First step is formation of cyclic halonium ion. So यहाँ पे एक cyclic halonium ion जैसे बनेगा. Next step में OH minus add होगा ना? OH minus यहाँ पे भी अटैक हो सकता है, यहाँ पे भी अटैक हो सकता है. अगर यहाँ पे अटैक हुआ तो यहाँ पे जब ये ब्रेक होगा, कार्बोकैटायन कैरेक्टर यहाँ पे जब आएगा, this is more stabilized, right? Because it is attached to more alkyl groups. Hello?
हाँ.
A जो particular halonium ion है, it is not exactly a carbocation, but it is having carbocation-like character. So you need to do addition according to the stability of the carbocation. यहाँ पे जो cyclic halonium ion बनेगा, whenever it is OH minus is attacking, it will prefer to attack on this carbon because यहाँ पे carbocation ज़्यादा stable रहेगा. So the product formed will be, वो जो major product जो भी रहेगा, OH मैं मान रहा हूँ या तो CH3 ऊपर चला गया, OH नीचे है, ओके, एंड Cl यहाँ पे है. क्लियर है? Or else you can have another type of product. OH ऊपर से अटैक किया, साइक्लिक हैलोनियम आयन नीचे बना, तब Cl यहाँ पे रहेगा. Again, these two are mirror images of each other.
हाँ.
Mirror image है ना? And they are optically active. So this is also a racemic mixture. But इस केस में मैंने दोनों बार OH इसी कार्बन के ऊपर अटैक करवाया. वो देखो आप लोग. Or else I'm writing a statement here. In case of unsymmetrical alkene, OH attacks, or else ये जो particular चीज है, this is according to Markovnikov's rule only, right? और जो OH है, it is negatively charged and it is going to carbon bearing lesser number of hydrogens. OH attacks on that carbon from which more stable carbocation can be made. I hope this is clear. Okay?
हाँ सर.
उसी particular logic को use करके write the major products. Just show the major products. This compound is called as styrene, which is used in the formation of polymers. But this in this particular year polymers chapter हटाया गया, so no need to worry. Write the products. देखो सब लोग एक बार, अभी HOCl ब्रेक कैसे होगा? HO minus as well as Cl positive just attach according to the Markovnikov's rule. Carbon bearing higher number of hydrogens पे you will attach the electrophile, right? So यहाँ पे CH2Cl लगेगा and यहाँ पे OH लगेगा. Clear? Clear everyone?
हाँ सर.
Okay. Next Br2CCl4. अभी ये तो unsymmetrical symmetrical reagent है. So no need to worry. कौन सा Br कहाँ पे जाके लगेगा? So एक Br यहाँ पे जाके लगा, दूसरा Br यहाँ पे. But as this particular carbon is chiral, you will get the answer as racemic mixture. Okay. उसके बाद मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? I am adding aqueous NaOH. ये जो aqueous NaOH है उसके साथ रिएक्शन क्या होता है? aqueous NaOH या aqueous KOH? You have alkyl halide and you are adding aqueous NaOH. There will be SN2 reaction. SN2 रिएक्शन में आप लोग के पास अभी दो चॉइसेस है, इधर भी हैलोजन है, यहाँ पे भी हैलोजन है. Out of these two halogens, you are adding only one equivalent. So you need to judge which particular bromine will be replaced. आप लोग को क्या लग रहा है? Which particular bromine will be replaced? This is 1 degree and this is 2 degree. But ये 2 degree के साथ साथ इसके लिए और एक है. This is benzyl. हमने पढ़ा अलग से, allyl and benzyl substrates are very good substrates for SN2 reaction.
हाँ.
So that particular Br will be replaced. Very important. So यहाँ पे OH जाके लगेगा and this will be CH2Br. Okay.
हाँ सर.
समझ में आया?
यस सर.
Okay. अभी ये क्वेश्चन देखो. BrCl है. Which is more alternative?
Cl.
So it will break as Br positive and Cl minus. So attack करवा लो. Electrophile will be added to carbon bearing higher number of hydrogens. So यहाँ पे Br लगेगा and यहाँ पे Cl लगेगा. Is this clear?
यस.
Again you are using aqueous NaOH. किसको replace करेंगे? Br और Cl?
Cl.
Even though Br is good leaving group and compared to Cl, but वो जो Cl है benzyl carbon पे होने की वजह से I am replacing Cl but not Br. Very important. समझ में आया?
हाँ.
Okay. So you are adding according to Markovnikov's rule only. आप लोग को ये आइडेंटिफाई करना है कौन इलेक्ट्रोफाइल है, कौन न्यूक्लियोफाइल है. क्लियर है?
हाँ.
ओके. इधर तक करते हैं. वी विल कंटिन्यू इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. थैंक यू.